the two most advanced fighter jets in the world, the F-22 and the F-35. The US owns both of them. So now the question is, why is it suddenly talking about something called the F-47? What's the need for the F-47 when the F-35 is already costing the US so much? Well, it's because modern air combat has changed, and America knows its old advantages are disappearing. For decades, America's air dominance depended on one thing: the best of the best pilots flying the best of the best jets. And that worked. America owned the skies over the Persian Gulf and the Balkans because back then wars were slower, the airspace was less cluttered, and the enemies were predictable. A dogfight meant one jet versus another. But today, air combat is very different. In other words, a $200 million F-35, which is the most advanced fighter jet yet, can now be threatened by a swarm of $500 drones. China has built a swarm-based air network, thousands of drones, electronic warfare systems, and jammers that blind enemy radar. If a US jet fires a missile, it destroys one cheap drone, but there are 999 still left. This is called saturation. The US simply runs out of expensive missiles before China runs out of cheap drones. This isn't traditional dogfighting anymore. It's a fight against numbers, automation, and interconnected systems, not just individual jets. In modern warfare, fighter jets won't face one enemy aircraft. They'll face thousands of threats at once. Drones, reapers, missiles, sensors, jammers, all filling the sky simultaneously. That's where the F-47 comes in. The F-47 isn't just a jet. It's a 6th-generation drone quarterback. In an F-35, the pilot is a gladiator, fighting, scanning, and shooting all at once. But in the F-47, the pilot is a general. The F-47 stays nearly 100 miles back, almost invisible to radar, while its swarm of loyal wingman drones does the dirty work. They scout enemy radar, they jam communications, they gather intelligence, and most importantly, they take the hit so the pilot doesn't have. You are not fighting one plane anymore. You are fighting a hive mind, a network that thinks, reacts, and strikes almost instantly. This isn't the next dogfight, it's the end of the dogfight. And that's exactly why the US needs the F-47.